This will be a video chart on CNUV. Very nice looking day, and overall a pretty interesting chart. I had some requests on this one today. So just want to get this mapped out, some supports, resistances, and that way everybody's got an idea of what to look for going into next week. So not to start things off by stating the obvious, but very nice day today. Big volume, and more importantly, the price reacted great with it. Nothing worse than seeing a big volume day and then seeing the price either go sideways or worse yet down. Wasn't the case here today. So the price, did definitely react nicely with the amount of volume that came in. So support-wise, what are we looking for? Well, the first support that sticks out quite a bit is just simply this previous high level. Right around here, you can see that there was quite a bit of price history right around this area here. It was a previous high over here at 0.0045, and then had some more times where the price got right up around there. So this was a key level of resistance, but after today's action, it has become a level of support. So 0.0045 is going to be not the must-hold level of support, but an ideal one, meaning ideally you would want to see this level hold. The must-hold level of support is going to be down here at this purple line there. That is the 50-day simple moving average, and if you're familiar with charts, you know that pretty much that is one of the moving averages that everybody goes by and looks at. So that's going to be a very important level of support. But given that the price closed all the way up here, that would take quite a bit for it to drop and then fall below that level right there. So that's where we stand on the support front. Once more, 0.0045 is the ideal level, but the must-hold level is going to be this purple line right here, the 50-day simple moving average. Now for the fun stuff, where are these resistance levels at? Well, this one makes it pretty easy in terms of the chart. We simply have to go back here and look at this previous high, and maybe that's right where the price bounced off of today. I'm not sure. We can check that in just a second. But right here is, like I said, going to be the level of resistance, so we'll get that changed to red for resistance and make this a little extra thicker, because I do think this is going to be a pretty thick level of resistance up here. But you can see the high right around here was at 0.0066. This high was at 0.0064, and then what was today's high? 0.0065. So basically split the difference there. So 0.0065, as we'll call it, is going to be the key level of resistance. And if we scrunch down the chart, you can see that after this level right here, it's essentially a blue sky breakout, because then the resistance levels really start to thin out. So 0.0065 is definitely going to be a key level of resistance where the chart would then enter into new areas. And although we do have the 50-day right here acting as a trend line, the other thing that I just noticed was if we were to start here and draw up a trend line like this, you can see that we also have a nice trend line. So I pretty much stand corrected. Although it would be nice if the 50-day simple moving average were to hold, this level right here being the long-term trend line is going to be the absolute must-hold level. So I'll make this one extra thick to represent a key level. And once again, that's just simply coming from connecting the lows. We had a low here, we had a set of lows here, and then the most recent one right here. So this is a good example of how higher lows let you draw the always wanted trend line there. So you can see not too much distance, but I do stand corrected. So we'll call this ideal support level number 1. Call the 50-day down here ideal support level number 2, and then this trend line here at the must-hold support level. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached, so I encourage you to check out the website. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CNUV. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.